guys and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows. So basically this is an eyebrow tutorial, easy steps. I use about 4 steps. So the first step is to draw a line on the bottom, and the second step is to draw a line on the top. The third step is to fill in your eyebrows using an eyebrow kit or an eyebrow gel if you want to use a gel. I usually use the kit which has powder. And then the fourth step is to either use the wax and eyebrow gel or eyebrow the tools that I'll be using today. So I'm going to be using an angle brush. This is very important. The eyebrow kit, as you can see, I have been using it and it broke, so don't judge me. The third one would be, you can use like a little brush to just brush your eyebrows. I'm going to be using this brush which is connected to my Catrice eyebrow pencil. And then the third one would be an eyebrow pencil. The fourth thing that I'm going to be using is concealer. Concealer is very important. It's going to clean any mess that you make and it makes your eyebrows look a lot better. Fifth is you can either use your beauty blender. I'm going to be using Real Techniques brush just to obviously clean around with the concealer. 6 would be my lash and brow gel. Let's get to it. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is I am going to be cleaning out my eyebrow. So just to make sure that it's clean from the day before. Second thing that I do is I then brush it. So I'm going to be using a mirror down here, which makes it easy for me to do the tutorial, but you guys can still see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using this and I'm just going to be brushing it, as you can see, because I'm going to start with the bottom. I'm going to brush it all up. Brush it up. Same thing on the other side. Brush it up. And then the next step is to then take my pencil and to draw the line. So all I'm doing is I'm drawing a straight line to make it look neater and fill in any blank spot or bold spots, in other words. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it, guys. That's why the concealer is there. What you can do is you can just go ahead and actually clean it up. So the concealer will be there to help you to clean everything up. So let's do the next step. So I've done the first step. Now it's the side. So I'm pretty much done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush it. Using my angled brush, and I'm then going to take the dark part and I'm going to fill it in. So basically what I'm doing is just using the darker color on the outside. You want it to look as natural as possible. I'm then going to use the lighter part inside. And even though there are some mistakes, you can already notice a difference with my eyebrows from the first time that I actually started with. It looks fuller and it's kind of matches my hair color because I've got really dark hair color. So yeah. So I'm filling in any blank spot because I don't want them there. Next thing is I'm going to be taking the wax side and I am then going to use it just like that. I didn't tell you guys, this specific eyebrow kit is by Wet n Wild. You can use any that you want. You don't have to use what I'm using. So you can actually use Maybelline, you can use Essence, you can use Catrice, you can use L'Oreal, you can use anything, you can use MAC. It's all up to you. Usually when I try to do videos or I try to use things for myself, I use things that are affordable for everybody to be able to use. So not exactly the last step, but second last step is my concealer. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm using the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. Now I stand behind this concealer because it's one of the best thing ever. I'm just going to go ahead and actually, this is just where I like to play around, is trace the line that I've just cleaned. So that's what I'm doing basically. I know it looks crazy, but it actually looks okay when you're done. If there's anything that you want to clean, you can go ahead and clean it just by, once again, taking the kit and just tracing the line or cleaning it up. And then I'm going to be taking this and just going ahead and putting my eyebrow down. And if you want to go ahead and you feel like there's more things to clean out, go for it. As I can see, there's something here. So go for it and just clean it up. And that's pretty much it. That's my eyebrows. So this is how I get my eyebrows done.